guys, and welcome back for another video. So my name's Aishcream if you're new to my channel, Aisha, and I post videos weekly on YouTube, sometimes twice a week. And this is my, I think this is my 4th annual Eid turban styling video. So if you're new here, basically every year I do a turban Eid inspiration video, an Eid inspiration turban video for you guys, just to give you some inspiration, some ideas for styles that you can rock for Eid. And yeah, I'm really excited to do this one for you. I feel like this year's one, the theme is kind of like accessories, because I use quite a lot of accessories in this video, and hopefully I've given you enough time to be able to go out and get the accessories or the scarves. So yeah, without much further ado, let's get straight into the video. Make sure to hit subscribe if you're not already, hit the thumbs up button, and turn the bell notification on so that you get post notifications whenever I post a new video. I do actually post other turban tutorial videos here on YouTube, and I also post weekly Instagram turban tutorials as well, so make sure you follow me on there if you don't already. Okay, let's get to the video. Okay guys, so for this tutorial you're going to need a raw silk scarf, or any scarf of your choice, but raw silk is just, you know, nice, it's extra, it's occasional. And you'll also need some netting, and I will link to where I get everything down in the description box below. Okay, or for the ones that I can. So you take your raw silk scarf, this one is a pink fleur one, my fave, and then just fold it 2/3 of the way and then put it on your head and then just tie it. Now the netting is going to hide the front part of the turban, which is why I just pretty much chucked it on. Didn't do it particularly tidily. Just make sure that the back is relatively tidy, because you'll see that bit, but the front bit will be covered by your netting. So just go ahead and tie it on as you please. I mean, you should definitely just do it neat really, but yeah. Okay, and if you want a proper tutorial for how I tie this on its own, I do have one somewhere. If I remember, I'll put an iCard above so you can go and watch it. Okay, as I said, it doesn't matter. You just need to have it on your head and make sure the back looks relatively neat. That side bit was bugging me though. Okay, now take your net, which I will link below as I said before, then just fold it in half and then put it on your head. Okay, with both sides the same length. Now you're just going to gather the sides and then put it on your head diagonally one way. And then simply cross it over at the back, bring it back to the front, and then take the other side, gather it a bit, and then take that over diagonally so it crosses over the other side that you've just done. Okay, and then you just need to tie it, fix it up a bit, and then tie it for a second time. And then now all you need to do is literally fan it out. Netting is your friend. It is so easy to work with, so easy. Literally fan it out, play around with it until you're happy with it. I didn't like that pokey bit, that pointy bit rather, sticking out like that. So yeah, just play around with it, move it around, tuck it in. And there was this one bit there on the right that just wouldn't stay down despite how I kind of bent it, so I just pinned it down in the end. But literally just play around with it till you get it how you want it. How lush would this style look for like the races, going to see the horse racing, like, you know, cute. So yeah, like I said, just play around with it until you get the desired effect that you want for this turban. Okay, and boom, there you go. Beautiful, no? Let me know what you think of style number 1 down below, guys. And if you guys try these, remember to send them to me, because I love seeing your attempts at my turban tutorials. So yeah. Okay, so for this second style, you're going to need a raw silk scarf again. Told you it's my fave. And a fascinator. Obviously the theme for this year is accessories. So you're just going to fold it kind of maybe what, 1/4 of the way down, and then put it over your head, boom, like that. The way that I created these ruche, the folds at the front, I will link to it so you can see it in another video. I didn't want to do it again in every single video. Right, so you just cross them over at the back. The two sides are the same length, by the way. And then you're just going to take one side, bring it over to the other side, laying it down as neatly as you can. And guys, I know I say this a lot, but not doing it with a mirror is hard. But I did it, okay? When you do it, obviously stand in front of a mirror. I wish you could have like a mirror that had a camera embedded in it. That would be so good. Okay, and then you just do the same thing with the other side, bring that over to the other side. Okay. And then you see you get these additional folds, so you can have as many or as few as you like. You can pretty much do any base that you want, to be honest. It's up to you. The accessory is the main thing, so just tying it at the back twice and then just tidy up. So obviously when I looked in a mirror, I fixed it up and made it tidier than that, so that will get better. Okay, and then just do your last little bits of neatening things up and what have you. And then for the start of the show, boom, the fascinator. Oh, I love it. I literally need to go horse racing now. I need to go to the races because, oh, beautiful. Or somebody just needs to invite me to an occasion, an event, after lockdown, of course. Okay, so just clip it on where you desire, fix it up, and what? Amazing. I love this style so much. It's all about that fascinator. Like, it just takes it from 100 to 200. Oh my God, love it. Style numero 3. So you're going to need an Ankara scarf and an accessory, another fascinator. You know, accessories, I just had to, okay? And that fascinator is beautiful. Again, I'll link to it below. So this scarf is kind of like, it's not square, it's kind of like rectangular-ish. Wow. And then I'm just going to fold it in half, not in half, but like fold it into a bit of a triangle. Because it's not a square, it's not going to be a perfect triangle. It's going to be like that, but that's fine. Okay. And then you're going to put it round on your head from the back to the front. Right. Okay. And then you're just going to cross one side over first, whichever side you desire. I have done my right side first. Okay. And then, oh, just adjusting that camera. Okay. And then take the left side or the other side and bring that over and cross it too. Okay. Just like that. And then just take that side and the other side that was at the back and just tie it. Now this scarf wasn't quite big enough. If you want all of the back to be covered, then just use a bigger scarf. I didn't have one that was big enough here. So you could have, if you had a ponytail, you could have it kind of just out there and then just don't bring that down as far as I did. It's entirely up to you really. And mum was like, actually, you're not meant to have the writing showing, so yeah, don't have the writing showing, guys, like I did. Say as I do, not as I did. I believe the words I was looking for was do as I say, not as I do. But yeah, if your scarf is big enough, the writing won't show it anyway, so yeah. Create those folds. Okay. And again, I'll sort that back out a bit better. Okay, so just tuck it, all that good stuff, and then just finish neatening up the front portion. Okay. And these kind of styles, it's a lot about just playing around with it until you get your desired look. That cross is not in the middle. If it wasn't for the fascinator, I would have done that again, but it's okay because you'll not notice in a bit. Yes, okay. And then take the fascinator and stick it on, pin it on. They come with like clips, so you just literally slide it on. It's like a slidey clip thing. And voila, how beautiful is that? It's just so different, so unique, but it just, oh, it's so nice. So yeah, there you have it. Don't let the writing show, guys. Or mom will be after you. Just kidding. Okay, so yeah, I love that style. So pretty. Again, you could take this to the races. Totally need to go now. Style number 4 now, and I've got this grin on my face because I'm actually wearing my mom's top because I don't have a scarf big enough and I wanted to wear the matching top as well. Anyway, so it's a big square scarf-ish, squarish, folded it in half to form that kind of triangle that you just saw, bring it from the back to the front, tie a knot like that, and then take one side back, okay? And it was the right side that I took back. Okay, so now you're just going to fan out that, just tightening it up. So now you're going to take that bit, the back bit, and just fan it out a bit, open it up a bit, and that's just so that you don't get like a really funky, like weird, bumpy, lumpy thing at the top of your head. Okay, so fan that out a bit, and then take the front bit back as well, and then you simply just going to like overlap the two sides to cover everything and tidy everything up at the back, just like I'm doing here. Literally just bringing it over and then do the same with the other side, okay? So that's literally what I'm doing here. It's really easy, this style, but I think it looks really pretty, really pretty. But yeah, no pins involved as well, not one pin whatsoever. Okay, and then once you do that, then you just need to play around with it, tidy it up, make sure it's, you know, perfect in your eyes. So I will go and look in the mirror shortly just to make sure everything is tight, everything is on point, okay? But yeah, love this style. Obviously you can see my underscarf thing was showing there, but like I said, I will go and have a look in the mirror and tidy it up. There we go. All tidied up now, and I absolutely love this style. So pretty. Ugh, honestly, I love African clothes so much. Work it, girl. I'm such a goofball. Perfect. There we go. Guys, if you try any of these styles, let me know. Please let me know. Show me on Instagram. And now for the 5th and final style. So I'm using this Arewa green chiffon scarf and also pins, and I forgot to show you the accessory, but you'll see that in a second. So basically you're just going to fold the scarf about 2/3 of the way down and then put it on your head from the back, bringing the fabric to the front like so. And then you're just going to tie a knot at the front like that. And then now all you're going to do is pinch and pin, pinch and pin, pinch and pin. And that's literally it. So you do it for one side, then you do the other side, okay? Just like this. I am dangerous with pins. If I ever approach you to do a turban style with a pin, you better run. Run for your life. It's coming, don't worry, don't worry. I'm so bad with pins, honestly. That's why I've tried to never use pins in my tutorials. So yeah, just pinch and pin. okay, and the same on this side. And I didn't like, I pricked myself. I'm just starting again because I didn't like how far apart I'd started it. So yeah, pinch, pin, pinch, pin. Like that. And then you take your accessory. Oh, let me finish first. I was contemplating whether to add another pin, but then I was like, nah, it's fine. Okay, so then I take my accessory. I got this online. I'll link to it if I can find it. It's actually like for your hair. You put it at the back of your hair around your ponytail. But I thought, oh, this will look cute here. The contrast as well, perfect. So yeah, just shove it up there and then just shove that clip bit around the back somewhere. And Bob's your uncle. There you go. Just adds a little va-va-voom to the style, you know? Beautiful. Look at that perfect volume. Ah, and I've got cornrows in my hair, so the volume stuff works. I'll leave a link to how I achieve volume, and it's for anybody, even if you've got no hair. I'll link it up here somewhere. Beautiful. That is the end of this year's EID turban tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. I think this is like my 4th annual one. Make sure to share it. Let me know which one is your fave down below. Don't mind me goofing around once again. But yeah, thanks for all your support, guys. I really love and appreciate you all. And if you're new, subscribe. Don't leave before you subscribe and turn that bell on. Ciao. I hope everybody has had an amazing Ramadan. I can't believe how quickly it's flying by. It's been so different with not being able to go to the mosque and stuff, but we thank God. And yeah, roll on Eid, right? If you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. It really helps my channel. And also share this video with others as well. You know what they say, sharing is caring, right? So share it with your friends, your family, so they can look cute for Eid too. Okay? Catch you next week. Have a great Eid if I don't talk to you before then. And yeah, stay blessed.